Hi, my name is Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, Builders has got a fantastic range of flat pack furniture. Flat pack furniture, you ask, what is that? Well, it is pre-manufactured furniture items that you can assemble by yourself at home. Well, today we're looking at the Atka side table set. It includes 2 tables and they're 3 legs per table. The only thing you need to put this together is a very sharp knife, because that's what you're going to use to cut the box open. And once you've done that, read the instructions carefully and you can put it together yourself. Let me show you how easy this is. So this flat pack is fairly simple to put together. All you do is measure out the correct legs for each table, insert them into the holes and screw them tight by hand. Once all 3 legs are in place, all you need to do is take the non-slip pads and stick them to the base of the legs. And there you have it, the Atka side table set, brought to you by Builders. For more ideas on flat pack furniture, get onto our website. It is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.